introduce these foods, let me introduce myself. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Evontu-utu by name, but you can call me Evon for short. On this channel, I post lifestyle vlog from day-to-day lifestyle content to step-by-step sewing tutorials. If this is what you love, please click on the subscribe button and welcome to the family. Let's go back to the food. This food is called peach. It has low calories. It's packed with vitamin A and C, helps digestion and also boosts your immune system. So in today's video, we're going to be making spinach and egg sauce, and these are all my ingredients. On the list is our spinach, then we have our bell peppers, habanero peppers and eggs, onion, fresh tomatoes. Into our pan, we are going to be going in with a little bit of vegetable oil. I added a little bit of butter, cooking butter to mine. I just love the taste of this butter. After adding them, you're going to be allowing it to heat for a while, and then you have to introduce your onion at this point. After introducing your onion, allow it to heat up for a while, and then go in with your bell peppers, habanero peppers now, and then you stir. Add your fresh tomatoes at this point immediately after adding your bell peppers, and then you stir all together. Cover it at this point and allow it to fry for a while. Uncover it after it must have fried for a while, and then at this point in time, introduce your spices. I have my nut cube, I have salt, I have curry, I have thyme, I also have rosemary. You can also add any other spice of your choice. At this point, I already added my fresh eggs. Stir it for a while, then cover and allow to cook. If you've watched this video to this extent and you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please at this point click on the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video. So after you cover and allow to cook for a few minutes, you now come again to check if it is well cooked. At this point, my eggs are well cooked. I will introduce my garlic and ginger with the liquid, stir again and allow to cook for a while. I must say, my love for egg and vegetable sauce has no limit. I am ready to eat this for as long as it must have cooked. At this point, I'm going to be introducing my spinach now. So once I added my spinach, I didn't allow it to cook for long any longer. I just stirred it, and after a few seconds it was done. So let me know in the comment section, are you going to be trying this, and what are you going to be pairing for this meal? I'm going to be pairing my spinach and egg sauce with white rice. You can also pair this with your yam, plantain, rice, bread, whatever. It is so delicious. Spinach and egg sauce is ready, and it's time to pair it with white rice. Is this not, it's looking appetizing already, guys. It's looking appetizing, and it is so tasty. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you all, my family members. Thank you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.